What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I don't know what order I'm putting this in, but I'm doing a bunch of videos in the same day, so I don't know how this is really gonna work out, but wanted to share something. Recently came back from the CT Barber Expo and came across a couple clippers. You know, of course, we have to talk about the FX3, the new babyliss trimmer. Gonna share my opinion on it, show you a little bit of the unboxing, and I'll show you some clips of me using it. Not too many, because I'll share a little bit of that, you know, why. But initial thoughts, this clipper is, honestly, I feel like it's a Slimline Pro on steroids. Nice blade exposure, just like how the FX gives you. Has a nice deep angle to it. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it's cool for some. Some may love it, some may hate it. This is just my opinion, so don't take it to heart. So initial thoughts, I mean, it comes in a box like this. You slide this out. Trimmer is the first thing. Obviously, I took it out the box, but it's got the nice gold blade on it. I'm trying to get this thing to, I feel like these boxes come with a whole bunch of extra stuff that's not needed, but comes with a screwdriver for the blade, some oil. Comes with this clip. I'm guessing this goes on so you can add like a little bit of tag to it at the bottom of the trimmer. Or if you have like hooks on your station, you can use the hooks that come with it. Comes a little brush. And yeah, comes with, you know, some instructions, I guess. I don't know whoever uses these, not me. So it's got great power. It's got the light bars on it that shows you what kind of charge you have left. A 4-hour runtime. I will have to share about that. So I had it within the first day. I'm using it in the shop. Busy day at that. Just stopped working on me. I was hitting the button. It wasn't turning on. It was on 3 bars, and you know, it shut off on me. I mean, I'm gonna call babyliss about it just to kind of share, you know, what's going on or what could be going on. But yeah, I mean, that's the only issue I really had with it. It's super powerful. I'm not real keen on the angle though. The angle of this trimmer. See if we can get this thing to zoom in. I don't know. Can you guys see that angle? I'm not too keen on it. I mean, when you compare it to the angle of, I mean, look at that. I'm trying to get this thing to zoom. When you compare the angles, it's really steep. I think they said it's about 30° more of an angle on this trimmer. But it does provide great power. It's super sharp out the box. So if you do have one, you're just thinking about getting it, be sure that you check your blade adjustment so you're not biting up your clients. I've done mine down about twice. I bit my arm up like crazy. So definitely you want to make sure you do that. And then when you're going up underneath the person's neck, you want to make sure that you're not going in too deep, because that 30° angle will really get you and really snag somebody at the bottom of the neck. And you don't want that. The clients ain't coming back after that. It's got the titanium DLC blade on it. Gold. There's really no lettering on it, so I'm kind of curious to why they didn't put the lettering on it, unless like I got some of the first batch, because they did release it at CT Barber Expo, so only a certain amount of people got it. Besides the exclusive people, you know, Bazio, Stay Gold, a lot of the guys that work for babyliss, shout out to them, much appreciated. But yeah, lithium ion battery, 7200 RPM power, and it's exposed 360 degrees. So yeah, other than that, I mean, this is if you want something with great power, it's an awesome trimmer. Especially if you like the Slimline Pro, it's a nice upgrade to the Slimline Pro. Yes, it's a little more expensive than a Slimline Pro. That's the one con that anybody may have, but I don't see it as a con. You're paying for quality. So, but yeah, the only con I really have to this trimmer is the fact that it did want to conk out on me after 1 day's use, and it only had 3 bars left, and then it ended up going down to 1 bar after I plugged it in the charger, and it started working again and started hesitating. So I'm not 100% sure what that is, so I will call babyliss about it and then inquire about that. But definitely a great trimmer to get. If you have any questions, let me know. Will I choose this trimmer over my FX? I don't think I would. My FX, just the way it feels in my hand, I feel like the ergonomics of this one versus this one are a lot better. Having that heavier clipper definitely helps me. I do enjoy that a lot better. So yeah, I definitely think I might stick with the FX over stick with the FX 880 over, not 880, oh my gosh. The original FX versus the FX3. Let's just put it that way. Get confused on the numbers. They drop clippers all the time. Real quick, guys, if the audio tends to change, I got this new mic and it kind of like flipped inwards against the body. Still sounded decent, but I just wanted to let you guys know if it changes or you hear anything differently. But yeah, that's kind of like my review. Nothing really too crazy, nothing too in-depth. I wanted to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. Hopefully I did that. I don't know how much time I took to explain what I was explaining. But I hope you guys enjoy. Next on the chopping block, which hopefully I'll get this video. I need to get a couple clips with it and kind of get everything adjusted the way I want it to be adjusted on this clipper. But yeah, it's the Andis GTX Evo trimmer. I'm actually really excited about this trimmer, just to see what it is. You know, obviously babyliss has been doing the FX series with the exposed blade for a long time, and people were used to cut the tops of the Andis T outliners all the time. This is just an updated version. I like it. I'll go more in depth when I get to it and get some clips of me cutting with it so I get a more in-depth review for you guys. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks for watching the whole way through. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe. Help your boy out. Just get this channel growing. And hopefully I can bring you guys some more in-depth reviews. I may even bring you guys on some tips in the barbershop too, because a lot of people don't know a lot about my story. I moved 20 hours away. If you haven't checked them out, it's on some of my vlogs, but I moved 20 hours away from Pennsylvania to Texas, built a clientele in 2 months. So if you're interested in learning more about that, please leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.